Hello everyone, it's Destiny. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be playing with Fenty Beauty's new release, the Beach Please collection. This video isn't going to be a review because tons of people are already doing that and I don't want to rehash anything that's already been said. So I'm just going to be focusing actually on one product. This one right here. This is the Killawatt foils, or one of the Killawatt foils that she came out with, and this is in the color Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset. Now for this video, I'm just going to be doing a full face just using this. I don't want to waste any more time, so let's get into it. Okay, so I'm starting off. My face is already Fenty primed. I got my foundation, my contour, eyebrows done, and everything. So I've actually figured out 5 ways to use just one Killawatt foil, and I think that's pretty clutch. So we're gonna see how this works out. My eyes are already primed, and I'm gonna take, I think this is Sangria Sunset. This color right here is so beautiful. I love this color. Like this is how it swatches. And I'm gonna just recreate the look that she did just for our eyeshadow. So that our number one use for the Killawatt foil is gonna be eyeshadow, of course. So I'm just gonna take the Sangria Sunset and put it in my crease. I just think about carefree life, you know, drinking mimosas by the poolside, even though I don't drink mimosas by the poolside, but you know, if that's your cup of tea, of course. I take the orange, which is Mimosa Sunrise. I'm gonna put that all over my lid. Then I'm going to take the same orange color and I'm going to go on my bottom lash line. And so that's the first use for this. The second one, I'm going to use it for blush, which seems pretty self-explanatory. Rihanna goes ham when she does her blush, so I think I want to go ham. So obviously I'm going to take Sangria Sunset and just put that all over my blush brush, and then we gonna blush it out. Just blush it out. I'm having a little bit of a breakout moment and that's really annoying. I don't like that, but it's okay. We'll make it work. So now the third use for the Killawatt foil, I'm going to take Mimosa Sunrise and I'm going to use it to highlight where I normally highlight. Okay, so I'm taking the orange again and I'm going to use that to highlight. Ooh. It's a really different color than I'm used to highlighting with. I'm just gonna go over and do my nose highlight with one of the Matchstix just to give it a little base, something to grip onto. I'm gonna take the color Trippin. This is obviously not necessary, but just because I want the Mimosa Sunrise to have something to stick to, I'm gonna take the same orange again and highlight my nose. Now that I'm done with that, the fourth use that I'm going to use this for is for lips. So basically, I'm going to take the same brush that I used to highlight with, dust it off a little bit, then I'm going to take the Sangria Sunset again, and I'm going to dab that. And my lips are already moisturized. I put lip balm on them, so this should be easy to stick onto. I'm going to just tap it onto my lips. So You see that? Look at that compared to my upper lip. Like, oh my god, like, I don't know, like, I can see it in my mirror here, but it's like really like, it's so metallic. I love it. And I'm gonna take the orange, the Sunrise, I keep forgetting the names. I'm just gonna take a little bit of the orange and put that at the center of my lip. So it's a little bit, it's like a mix. Now to put the lips all together, I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. So you can also use any of the lipstick trios that she came out with, but I just want to use this because it doesn't have that much color to it, so I want to just focus on the color that I applied with the Killawatt foil, and just like, and just to top it all off, because I want to be extra, I'm gonna take the orange again and just go in. This one's a little bit controversial. It's not controversial, but this one requires you to actually like take some stuff out of here. If you don't want to mess up your palette, that's totally fine. You can totally skip this. But what I'm gonna do is, I think I'm just gonna do it with the Sangria Sunset. So I'm just gonna take like something really sharp, and I'm just gonna like take a little bit out of the corner and put it on a flat surface. It really is a little bit, like it's that much stuff. It's not a lot. I'm gonna take this nail polish. I don't know, this is a color, it's like a white, but clear would be fine too. This is like a really thin white, it's not an opaque white. So I'm just gonna shake that up, and I'm gonna take some of the nail polish, dip it into the crumbs that I created. So now that I got my crumbs, I got my mixture, it's like this. And then obviously just use it to paint your nails. You can make it as thick or as thin as you want it to. To make it thicker, obviously, you would need to use more of the Killawatt foil. Okay, these are my nails. I used the Sangria Sunset. You could, of course, use the Mimosa Sunrise. I used that on my thumb when I was trying it out, but these three are gorgeous, and it's like so easy to do, especially if you're trying to like match your nails to your eyes. This is the perfect thing to do. The last use for the Killawatt foil, I said there'd be 5, but there's kind of 6. So basically, you can use this as an eyeliner. Only reason I wouldn't want to do that is because I already used these colors as an eyeshadow, so an eyeliner wouldn't be really noticeable. Say if you had a different colored eyeshadow, you could use this as a pop of eyeliner. So to do that, you take an angled brush, dip it into the color of your choice, take primer or water or anything, and basically saturate your brush with it. Less of a powder, more of a gel, or more of a cream. And I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna go on my lower lash line. Now I'm just gonna go off, finish the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. And here is the final look. I'm actually really proud of myself for this one. Pretty great. Oh, let me splash my 3 nails that I did. It's really summery, it's really girly, really lighthearted. This looks very refreshing. Like, I just want to sit back and just get my glass and just, you know. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends, share it with your family. Let them know how they too can get this beat face. If you really enjoyed this video and you think you might enjoy other videos, then hit the subscribe button so you can keep updated with me, myself, and I. Even hit that bell button right next to the subscribe button so you can be notified every single time I update. I feel very cute. I feel like I need to go somewhere, so I'm probably gonna find somewhere to go. So until next time, thank you guys so much for watching.